Hi everyone, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. We are again going to use a figure from the Anatomy and Physiology OpenStax book because it's going to be helpful for us to identify some of these structures of the oral cavity, particularly the types of teeth and a couple other structures. If we go ahead and start with the types of teeth, we'll start with these teeth in the front here. These are going to be our incisors. And then next we have these teeth here on either side. Those teeth are known as the cuspids, or sometimes they are called canines. And then next we have bicuspids. And when we are looking at the teeth and the models of the teeth in lab, we'll notice that the bicuspids, bi implies two. There's going to be two roots on those teeth. And then finally we have the molars. And sometimes the bicuspids are called the premolars because they come before the molars. When we're looking at the molars in lab, the molars, we will see three roots on those models in the laboratory. Again, our incisors are the ones that we see first here lined up in the front. They're flattened. And then we've got our cuspids or canines on either side. And then we've got our bicuspids or premolars. And then finally our molars. We can also see the lingual frenulum, which we don't really get to see on any of the models in lab. And the lingual frenulum is going to help to stabilize the tongue. The last thing I want to point out is the uvula. We do get to see that on the models in lab, but this is just another representation or way to visualize that structure.